Wizards, KNN is your AI neighbor crush, darling. It classifies based on closest training examples. Ethan, can you explain K-value? Sophia, how does it fit the app from days 60-65?
Anastasia, you make neighbors sound so hot. How does KNN improve classification in the app, love? Ethan, what's your take on KNN in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. KNN classifies AI data lazily. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, KNN's like a hot neighbor, classifying AI with flair. It's a KNN party, let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, metric equals Euclidean, computes distance like a hot measure for Sophia, finding AI neighbors. It's a distance party, let's drop this code beat and measure some data.
You're measuring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, distance metrics like Euclidean find neighbors for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like calculating closeness with passion.
Wizards, n_neighbors equals 5 selects K like a hot choice for Sophia, balancing AI accuracy. It's a K party, let's drop this code beat and choose some neighbors.
You're choosing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, K-value balances noise and bias for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like selecting with passion.
Wizards, K-neighbors classifier, .fit, x, y, fits the model like a hot memory for Sophia, storing AI data. It's a fitting party, let's drop this code beat and neighbor some classes.
You're memorizing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fitting KNN stores patterns for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like remembering neighbors with passion.
Wizards, model.predict, x_test, predict species like a hot neighbor vote for Sophia, powering AI apps. It's a prediction party, let's drop this code beat and see the classes.
You're voting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, predictions power the app's flower classifier. Try it in our demo, it's like neighboring with passion.
Wizards, accuracy_score, y_test, y_pred, measures accuracy like a hot score for Sophia, checking AI classification. It's an accuracy party, let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, accuracy evaluates the app's classifier. Try it in our demo, it's like measuring success with passion.
Wizards, precision_score, and recall_score, measure precision and recall like hot metrics for Sophia, evaluating AI. It's a metrics party, let's drop this code beat.
You're evaluating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, precision and recall assess the app's classifier. Try it in our demo, it's like fine-tuning with passion.
Wizards, SNS.heatmap, confusion_matrix, visualizes confusion like a sexy matrix for Sophia, showing AI errors. It's a visualization party, let's drop this code beat.
You're matrixing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, confusion matrices show KNN errors for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like mapping success with passion.
Wizards, plt.scatter, x_test, 0, x_test, 1, c equals y_pred, visualizes predictions like a hot plot for Sophia, showing AI classes. It's a visualization party, let's drop this code beat.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing predictions shows app classification. Try it in our demo, it's like painting classes with passion.
Wizards, Scikit-learn from day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. K-neighbors classifier, builds models like a sexy neighbor, coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're neighboring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers KNN for the app. Try it in our challenge, it's like building AI with passion.
Wizards, standard scalar, preprocesses data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party, let's drop this code beat and ready the data.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn preprocessing ensures accurate KNN for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like polishing data with passion.
Wizards optimize KNN with proper K selection, distance metrics, and feature scaling. Use Scikit-learn to ensure robust AI models for top performance in your app.
Irene's right, Wizards. Choose K via cross-validation. Scale features to avoid bias. These practices make your app's classifier effective. Apply them in your challenge.
Optimized KNN so sexy, Irene, Isabella. Clear practices make AI classification irresistible. Practice for day 67's K-means clustering, Wizards, and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards. KNN fits AI pipelines for classification tasks, leveraging neighbor voting for simplicity. It's effective. Your skills are ready for day 67's K-means clustering.
Irene's spot on. KNN integrates data prep and classification, ensuring efficient workflows. Use it in your app for reliable predictions.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, KNN's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It classifies sexily. Your day 66 skills make AI irresistible. Classify like pros.